If you've been charged with a crime in Collierville, Tennessee court, then watch this video. I'll give you some information on how things work there at the court and what options you might have for working out your case. Collierville, of course, is just outside of Memphis. I call it one of the suburban courts. It's got its own government, police force, court system. They are a part-time court, okay? They have docket only a couple of days a week, and they handle all their own cases there. Now, if you've got a misdemeanor charge in Collierville, like a DUI, shoplifting, domestic assault, simple assault, personal use type drug possession, those are all misdemeanors. Those very likely are going to be worked out there in Collierville, okay? You'll have some options. I'll need to talk to you about your case and look into the facts. If you're looking to cut a deal and get the best outcome possible, make it go away and give yourself a chance to keep it off your record, we may be able to do that. Okay, I'll just have to see about your case, whether you have to go on probation or if we can work out some kind of alternative resolution, perhaps keeps you off probation, but do some other things instead. But at the end of it, get it off your record. Those may be some options. That's not a guarantee in every case, but those are always options, and that's something that I try and do. Those are all misdemeanor cases. Felony cases, those are different. Those are obviously more serious. The punishment is greater. The stakes are higher. Felonies, now by law, a felony charge is going to have to get sent down to Memphis to the criminal court where you get indicted. It goes through a grand jury and you get indicted, and then your case goes to the criminal court. Those are for felony charges. In some cases, if it's kind of a low-level type of felony and there are some mitigating circumstances, I may be able to persuade the prosecutor to reduce it to a misdemeanor, treat it like a misdemeanor, and keep it there in Collierville, okay? Because again, by law, the Collierville court, all those suburban courts, they don't have power to dispose of your felony charge. They can on a misdemeanor. So if you're facing a felony, I'd have to find a way to get it down to a misdemeanor if we want to keep it there in Collierville and work it out there. Otherwise, you got to send it downtown to the criminal court and go through that process. And if you're wanting to have a jury trial, you've got to send it down to criminal court anyway. Honestly, very few types of cases go to trial, but that is your option. That's your right, and that's something we can talk about. But if you're looking to keep it in Collierville and hopefully not have to drag it out through the court system for months or even years, you've got to get it down to a misdemeanor. Okay, so we'll just have to talk about that. That's kind of an overview of Collierville. I practice there a lot. I love practicing there. Everybody is professional. The other attorneys are competent. They're reasonable. They're good to work with, the prosecutors and the judge. I've had a good bit of success. If you're facing a charge in Collierville, I think I can help you out. Give me a call.